Just recently, Michael Saylor made some crazy statements that went viral and are likely to shock a lot of you. He talked about a Bitcoin worth $13 million, right? We all agree that a Bitcoin worth $13 million would be amazing, but not many people asked, okay, so what's the price of Ethereum in that case? How much does XRP cost? And yes, we're going to go into that in more depth today. After we cover Michael, there's no doubt that it will be very helpful and give you all new ideas. First, click the like button. Then let's watch the movie. Also, I want to know what you think. Have you heard anything that lets you know exactly what he's thinking about Bitcoin regulation? Do you think he spent the 100 hours you said he needed to in order to understand it? If so, what do you think caused it? I don't know, the courts really made it impossible for him to stop it, but he tried. What do you think caused that? As far as I can tell, this government has been pretty cautious about how they support the crypto economy. Okay, they want to take it easy and move slowly, but do they want to go or not? Well, the language was even more offensive before Gensler took office. You may have heard Jerome Powell, Christina Lagarde, and Gary Gensler all say that Bitcoin is a speculative digital currency after Gensler took office. And that was really a step forward. When the ETFs were approved, it was the second step forward. Without a doubt, I believe we are all waiting for bulge bracket banks to begin to store and handle Bitcoin. The third big shoe is about to drop. Do you believe the election is important? Do you think that Donald Trump is better for Bitcoin than someone like Biden or Harris? There's no question that Republicans are very in favor of crypto. Trump or the Republicans? Trump. Trump is. You believe him. You don't think he's a general. In particular, the 21st century and the 20th century are at odds with each other. In the 1900s, a business was made public. Going public took 4 years and cost $100 million. I did it in 1998. In this day and age, I can make a public crypto token for $100 in 4 hours. 100 million businesses want to sell a product to the public that is 1,000,000 times cheaper and 1,000,000 times faster. That's the world of crypto. In the old economy, it takes 4 years and costs $20 million a year to follow the rules. I also believe that. Both sides are talking past each other, but it's clear that the future is better, faster, and stronger. Warren, a senator, talks about Bitcoin. In other words, if she turns into, I've seen her do big work. Things have changed in politics. And I think that right now, the Republicans have become very radical and the Democrats are moving toward the middle when it comes to Bitcoin, when it comes to how they feel about crypto and Bitcoin. Let's also say that it's in the same direction as the Biden and Harris government. Does Gensler play a bigger part? Even more trouble comes up. All of that is too much for me to handle. But I think you're not going to be Treasury Secretary. Joe, you buy Bitcoin and keep it for more than 4 years. That's what I tell everyone. For more than 4 years after buying it. After some time, you start to wonder how much, say, digital gold of the market value of gold does it finally take. Right now, Bitcoin makes up 0.1% of the world's money. It's likely to reach 7% of the capital. As for the long run, I think it will reach 13 million in 21 years. 13 million. How many years from now is it? Your math class for 4 years. It's been growing 44% of the years. And the volume is between 40 and 50 vol. I think it will go to 40%, then 35, then 30, then 25. At some point, it will be the SP return plus 8% and the SP vol plus 8%. This is because the capital market will always be more global, open, and free. How come there's stuff that's not your job? You're very valuable. We can say that's above our pay grade, but who gets to say that? He might have been, but that's not his job. Sure, that's exactly right. In this point of view, Bitcoin means that you want to invest in an asset without counterparty risk. This means that you don't want to be tied down to a country, a currency, a place, a company, or a good, or a way of life, right? This makes people think it's dangerous. People just don't want to take a chance. In 10 years, they don't want to guess whether Picasso's work, New York real estate, or Nvidia stock will be worth more. They want to get cash. They want to buy a 1.21 millionth of the world's money for all time. Michael put it there. Thanks, that's it. The official guess that Bitcoin will be worth $13 million. Now, Bitcoin doesn't have to go from around $50,000 per coin to $13 million per coin in just 10 or 100 times its current value. It needs to go a little further than that, nearly 200 times, or even a little more than 200 times what they are worth now. As you might expect, XRP will also go through a huge rise if Bitcoin's market value reaches several trillion dollars. It will be easy for XRP to go from 50 cents per coin to $100 per coin in this event. That's not at all impossible. And it's also a very positive outlook for XRP since it targets a lot of the market that Bitcoin doesn't. As Michael Saylor said, Bitcoin is a free market that people can invest in, and that is very liquid. They can put their money into it knowing that it won't be manipulated like the US dollar, the Venezuelan dollar, or any other dollar in the world that is tied directly to a government. XRP does the same thing. It has enough. There is a lot of it. Anyone can buy XRP, keep it, or store it on the XRP system. They can risk it, which is why I believe it is a huge mistake not to buy XRP right now. Of course, it would also be wrong not to open long bets on XRP. Also, while we're on the subject, I have a great XRP competition going on right now. To join, just use the Margix link I've put in the video description further down this page. Then, if you're one of the top 5 traders this month, you'll get a share of this prize pool. This prize pool keeps growing every day because the fees that come with everyone's trade volume are being put into it. You and everyone else in this competition look at this list of people are actually getting all the money they put in back. There are 139 rows of people here. Crazy how many people are in this, but guys, listen up, you don't have to trade silly amounts so that you can enter this game, okay? That's why our top trader has 9.23 million in trades, but if you trade with 10x leverage, you can get there very fast. Because I use a lot of leverage, I've moved more than $20 million worth of cryptocurrency in the last month. I'm not trying to beat you guys, but I think now is a great time to trade leverage for XRP. Sign up using the link I've given you below if you want to do that. With XRP, you can start a 5x or 10x position leverage, and then you have the chance to kill it and get more XRP out of this whole thing, guys. Put money in your account, trade XRP on Margix, and then hold on to it for a long time, okay? In fact, this is also true for XRP. If you guys hold on to your XRP positions for a very long time, I have no doubt that in 10 years, they will be worth a lot more than even 20 times what they are worth now. Now seems like a great time to dollar cost average. I believe now is a great time to trade XRP using leverage. With XRP, we have some great chances that we should take advantage of. Let's do that here. Ready to use Margix? Click on the link below. There you have it. Go ahead and trade. Don't forget to like and follow if you like what you see. See you next time. Goodbye.